ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 543। What is Murtam is Martyam is Sat and Sthitam. Sthitam, what is the word given? Sthitam. Sthitam. And what is Amurtam? Amrutam. Amurtam is Amrutam and is Tyat and is Yat. In Bhashya, third line from the bottom. Tasmadhi Parichinnam Parichinnatvat Martyam Ato Murtam Murtatvat. Third line from the bottom. Yatha Ghata Stambha. Yesterday we didn't do that. Yatha Ghata Stambha Kudyadina संप्रज्यमानो विरुध्यते तथा मूर्तम स्थितम परिच्छिन्नम अर्थांतर संबंधी ततो अर्थांतर विरोधात मर्त्यम। घट स्तंभ कूट्यादिना मूर्तम स्थितम. घट is there, stambha is there, kutya is there, so they all are parichinna. So घट becomes parichinna because of other things. That is why it is मूर्तम. स्तंभ कूट्यादिना तथा मूर्तम स्थितम परिच्छिन्नम अर्थांतर संबंधी ततो अर्थांतर विरोधात मर्त्यम. And because of the virodha from the other vishaya, it is martya. एतद सद विशेष्यमाण असाधारण धर्मवत. एतद सद विशेष्यमाण असाधारण धर्मवत. विशेष्यमाण असाधारण धर्मवश प्रत्यक्षेन उपलभ्यमानत्वम्. तस्मात् ही परिच्छिन्नम, that which is परिच्छिन्नम, परिच्छिन्नत्वात् मर्त्यम अतो मूर्तम. मूर्तत्वाद वा, up to this let us see. मूर्तत्वाद, no, up to मूर्तम, not even मूर्तत्व. तस्मात् whatever is परिच्छिन्नम परिच्छिन्नत्वात् मर्त्यम, मर्त्यत् अतः मूर्तम. 10 नंबर टिप्पणी. प्रत्यक्षेण उपलभ्यमानत्वात्. प्रत्यक्षेण उपलभ्यमानत्वात् is what? स्थितम परिच्छिन्नम. करेक्ट. सो स्थितत्वात् और प्रत्यक्षेण उपलभ्यमानत्वात् परिच्छिन्नम, परिच्छिन्नत्वात् मर्त्यम, मर्त्यत्वात् मूर्तम. दिस इज वन सेट. और मूर्तत्वात् वा, सो यू से अथवा मूर्तत्वात् मर्त्यम, मर्त्यत्वात् स्थितम, स्थितत्वात् सत. Because it is मूर्त, therefore it is मर्त्य. मर्त्यत्वात् स्थितम परिच्छिन्नम, स्थितत्वात् सत. अतो मर्त्यत्वान् मूर्तम इति शेष टीका. Therefore, that which is martya has to be murta. Martyatvat murtam. Like how we say savayavattvat anityam, vikaritvat anityam. So here such hetu hetumat bhava they are given. Karya karana. If this is there, this will be there. This is there, next will be there. Like टीका मूर्तत्व मर्त्यत्वयोः अन्योन्य हेतु हेतुमद्भावं द्योतयितुं वा शब्दः. मूर्तत्व मर्त्यत्वयोः अन्योन्य हेतु हेतुमद्भाव, because it was said अतो मूर्तम मूर्तत्वाद वा मर्त्यम. So मर्त्यम अतो मूर्तम, मूर्तत्वाद वा मर्त्यम. Because it is martya, therefore it is murta. Because it is murta, therefore it is martya. So this between them there is अन्योन्य हेतु हेतु मद भाव. If it is savikari, it is anitya. If it is anitya, it is vikari in this way. द्योतयितुं वा शब्दः. Hetu and hetumat. Hetumat means
Kavyam phalam.
phala. Hetuvan. Hetuman. Hetuman means that which has hetu, that which has karana. Is that karya. कथम पुनः चतुर्षु धर्मेषु विशेषण विशेष्य भावो हेतु हेतुमद भावश्च निश्चेतव्यस् तत्राह. Why we should have this विशेषण विशेष्य भाव और हेतु हेतुमद भाव in these four dharmas, चतुर्षु धर्मेषु. This निश्चय, why it should be there? निश्चेतव्यः कस्मात्. So in भाष्य अतो अन्योन्या व्यभिचारात् चतुर्णां धर्माणां यथेष्टं विशेषण विशेष्य भावो हेतु हेतुमद भावस्य दर्शयितव्यः. Because to show अन्योन्य अव्यभिचार, अन्योन्या व्यभिचारात्. Otherwise there will be अन्योन्य व्यभिचार. You say Chaitra needs Maitra. Because it is Chaitra, therefore it is Maitra. Because it is Maitra, therefore it is Chaitra. So Anyonya Vyabhichara can come. To avoid that, Yatha Ishtam Visheshana Visheshya Bhava. Either you show in this way or you show in this way. One of the ways. A, because it is A, therefore it is B. Because it is B, therefore C, therefore D. Or because it is D, therefore C, therefore it is B, therefore it is A. विशेषण विशेष भावो हेतु हेतुमत भावस्य दर्शयितव्यः. टीका रूप रूपी भावस्यापि व्यवस्था भावम आशंक्या. रूप रूपी भाव also can be there. Something has rupa, so that rupa one will be rupi, rupin. सर्वथा पितु भूतत्रयं चतुष्टय विशेषण विशिष्टम. सर्वथा पितु भूतत्रयं चतुष्टय विशेषण विशिष्टम. All these bhutas, three bhutas, Prithvi, Jal, Teja, they will have four Visheshanas. Murtam, Rupam, Brahmana. That is Murta Rupa of Brahma. which is रूपिणः. तस्य एतस्य टीका तस्य एतस्य एष रस इति एव वक्तव्ये किमिति मूर्तस्य इत्यादिना विशेषण चतुष्टयम् अनुद्यते तत्राह. You are supposed to say what is the rasa of this tasya etasya esha rasah, because that is how it is there in the mantra. Iti eva vaktavye kimiti murtasya ityadina visheshana chatuštaya manudyate. Why this visheshana chatuštaya discussion you are doing? Tatraha tatra chaturnam ekasmin grihite visheshane itarat grihitam eva visheshanam ityaha. If you get one visheshana, all the others are also included, because they are like how in yukti we say this is corollary. If it is yad drishyam tad jadam tad vyabhichari tad mithya. So drishyatva, jadatva, vyabhicharitva, mithyatva, all are together. Like that here. One visheshana if you have, chaturnam ekasmin grihite visheshane itara grihitam. Itarat grihitam eva visheshana. How? So in the Moolam it was given, it is given here in Bhashya. Tasya etasya murtasya, etasya martyasya, etasya sthitasya, etasya satah, chatushtaya visheshana. So this is the pankti from the mantra itself, this much is there. Etasya murtasya, etasya martyasya, etasya sthitasya, etc. Chatushtaya visheshanasya bhutatrayasya ityartha. 3 bhutas with 4 visheshanas. तत्र प्रतिज्ञाम नहीं सारत्वम साधयति. नाउ व्हाट इज द सार? एषः रसः सारः इत्यर्थः. दिस रसः एंड सारः, they mean the same thing in this context. इत्यर्थः. त्रयाणां हि भूतानां सारिष्ठः सविता. त्रयाणां हि भूतानां सारिष्ठः. सारिष्ठः, what is the pratyaya? What is the sutra? अतिशायने तमभिष्ठनौ. अतिशायने तमभिष्ठनौ. Online students. So sar and ishthan. Earlier also there was one anu, ishthan, anishtha shabda had come. So there is another sutra, tehe. That which gets ti sanya, tehe lopaha. So in anu, that u lopa will happen, an ishthan anishtha. In here also sara ishthan. Drishtanta they have given is patu ishtha. Ishthan. It will become patishtha, like that. And the Drishtanta is not in Tehe Sutra, but Tehe Sutra is given there. Or maybe it is there only. You can check. Sarishtha Savita. So the essence of the 3 Mahabhuta is Surya. So it is, instead of worshipping 3 Mahabhutas, you worship Surya. This is how Surya Upasana became so prasiddha. Like instead of going around the whole world, You go around Parvati Parameshwarau. Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwarau. What is the first line?
वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपद्यते.
वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थ प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वंदे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ. Whose composition is this?
कालिदास.
Kalidasa. Mahakavi Kalidasa. So those who study Chandas and all, 100 shlokas they have to study of Kalidasa. Parvati Parameshwarau. This Shabda itself, Parvatisya Parameshwarasya iti Parvati Parameshwarau. This is Saral Samasa. Dvandva. Then another way of splitting this Samasa is Parvati Pascha Rameshwarascha. Parvati Parameshwarau. Parvati Pascha Rameshwarascha iti Parvati Parameshwarau. Parvati Paha means Parvatehe Patihi Shiva and Ramayaha Ishwaraha Rameshwara. Says Mahavishnu. So Shiva and Vishnu. Jagataha Pitarau. Or third way is Parvati Parascha Meshwarascha iti Parvati Parameshwarau. Meshwara is Mayaha Ishwaraha. So Parvati Paraha, Parvatisya Parascha. So, and you can do this way. Parvatisya Parascha iti Parvati Parau. Macha Ishwarasya Meshwarau. And then do Dvandva of two Dvandvas. Means Shiva, Parvati, Rama, Ishwara, all four together. It's Kalidasa. And then they say, to study 100 shlokas, how much time will it take? It can take forever. And they will go on doing this, that, so much. Like Sutra. So Surya is the Sara of three Mahabhuta. In other words, entire Murta Prapancha is Surya. And later we will see Amurta is the Devata presiding there. That is Hiranyagarbha. In other words, the Virat aspect is covered by Surya. Hiranyagarbha aspect is the Devata there. So Virat and Hiranyagarbha, all Upasana you can do in Surya. Tika. Etena सवित्र मंडलेन कृतानि विभज्यमानानि असंकीर्णानि कृष्णं शुक्लं लोहितम् इति एतानि रूपाणि विशेषणानि येषां पृथिव्यप् तेजसां तानि तथा. Because the next part in the Bhashya says etat sarani trini bhutani yatah etat krita vibhajyamana rupa visheshanani bhavanti. Etat krita vibhajyamana rupa visheshanani. So what is given in the Bhashya, in the Tika? Etena savitra mandalena kritani. Etat krit. Etat means etena kritani. Etat krit. Then vibhajyamanani means asankirnani. Vibhajyamana means divided. Sankirna means grouped together. Asankirna means not grouped together. Separated. Asankirnani. Krishnam Shuklam Lohitam. The dark, means annam, shuklam up, lohitam tej. So tejo bannam, कृष्णम शुक्लम लोहितम इति एतानि रूपाणि विशेषणानि येषां पृथ्वी अप तेजसाम. पृथ्वी will go with krishnam, up will go with shuklam, tejas will go with lohitam. पृथ्वी अप तेजसाम तानि तानि तथा. तथा means what is tatha? Where is yatha? No, there is no yatha. I just asked to confuse you. There is no yatha. No, tathani. Tatha is, it is talking about samasta pada. What he discussed in that line is samasta samasa vigraha. So tatha is what? Etat krita vibhajyamana rupa visheshanani. This whole sentence is the samasa vigraha of etat krita vibhajyamana rupa visheshanani. Etat means etena. Etena kena savitra mandalena. Krit, he said kritani. Vibhajyamana is vibhajyamanani, means asankirnani. कृष्णम शुक्लम लोहितम इति एतानि रूपाणि. रूप मीन्स रूपाणि विशेषणानि येषां पृथिवी अप तेजसां तानि. तानि तथा. तथा मीन्स एतत् कृत विभज्यमान रूप विशेषणानि भूतानि. दिस होल समास विग्रह इज फॉर दैट. Like how do you say, whenever they have bahurihi samasa, then at the end, instead of repeating the whole thing, they will just say tatha. So then you should understand. ततो भूतत्रय कार्य मध्ये सवितृ मंडलस्य प्राधान्यम इत्यर्थः. भूतत्रय कार्य, these three pancham, out of the panch mahabhuta, the three mahabhutas, in their karyam, among them savitru mandala is pradhana. savitru mandalasya pradhanyam ya esha tapati iti asya arthamah. That which is has pradhanyam is sara, is rasa. आधिदैविकस्य कार्यस्य एतद् रूपम यत् सविता यद एतन् मंडलम तपति. आदिदैविकस्य कार्यस्य एतद् रूपम यत् सविता. 12 नंबर टिप्पणी. श्रौतम एष पदम विवृणोति. In Shruti there is one word esha. Satah esha raso ya esha tapati. So that esha is savita. Yadetan mandalam tapati. हेतु वाक्यमादाय तस्य तात्पर्यम आह. हेतु वाक्यमादाय, having taken the हेतु वाक्य, तस्य तात्पर्यम आह. Now what is the तात्पर्यम? सतो भूतत्रयस्य हि यस्माद् एष रस इति एतद् गृह्यते. सतो भूतत्रयस्य हि, this भूतत्रय are सत् means प्रत्यक्षेन गृह्यमाण. यस्माद् एषः रस इति एतद् गृह्यते. So this is the rasa. टीका. मंडलम एव एतत् शब्दार्थः. मंडलम एतत् मीन्स एषः. मंडल परिग्रहे हेतुमाह मूर्तो ही is on next page. मूर्तो ही एष सविता तपति. टीका. मूर्त ग्रहणस्य उपलक्षणम. मूर्त मीन्स उपलक्षणत्वात् चतुर्णाम अन्वयो हेत्वर्थः. मूर्त, मर्त्य, सत्, स्थित हेतु. अतश्च मंडलात्मा सविता. The आत्मा of this mandala, मंडलात्मा सविता, भूतत्रय कार्य मध्ये भवति प्रधानम. It becomes the प्रधान कार्य. कार्य कारणयोर एक रूप्यस्य औत्सर्गिकत्वात् इत्याह. कार्य कारणयोः एक रूप्यस्य, between कार्य and कारण they have एकरूपत्वम. एकरूप्यस्य ऐकरूप्यस्य. ऐकरूप्यस्य समान धर्मवत्वस्य इत्यर्थः. 9 नंबर टिप्पणी. कार्य and कारण will have समान धर्म. सुवर्ण कारण will have आभूषण समान धर्म. This is the utsarga, outsargikatvat. What is the apavada? No, कार्य कारणयोः ऐकरूप्यस्य औत्सर्गिकत्वम्. Means कार्य कारण they have ekarupatvam. This is in general. This is utsarga. That means there has to be some apavada. That karya karana will not have ekarupatvam. Like from dadhi, the milk becoming yogurt. So karya karana bhav is there, but ekarupatvam is not there. Or sometimes pita putra also karya karana is not there. Sarishthascha, and it is sara. Saratamaha. टीका. मंडलम चेत आदिदैविकम कार्यम किम पुनस्तथाविधम करणम इति तदा. If mandalam is adidaivikam karyam, then tathavidam karanam kim? What is the karanam for that? Yattu adidaivikam karanam mandalasya abhyantaram tad vakshyamah. That adidaivika part we will say in the next mantra. So adi bhautika part is the savita mandala. The devata part in that is Hiranyagarbha. That is going to be said in the next shloka. टीका. आदिदैविकम मूर्तम अभिधाय तादृगेव अमूर्तम प्रतीकोपादान पूर्वकम स्फुटयति. आदिदैविकम मूर्तम अभिधाय, having taken आदिदैविक मूर्त, means having described, तादृग एव अमूर्तम प्रतीकोपादान पूर्वकम स्फुटयति. Now amurtam with pratikopadana he clarifies. Atha amurtam. Atha aduna amurtam uchyate. So now amurtam uchyate. Atha amurtam vayushchantarikshyancha etad amrutam etad yat etad tat etatyat तस्य एतस्य अमूर्तस्य एतस्य अमृतस्य एतस्य यत एतस्य त्यस्य एष रसो य एष एतस्मिन् मंडले पुरुषस्त्यस्य एष रस इति अधिदैवतम्. अथ अमूर्तम. So now what is amurtam? वायुश्च अंतरिक्षम च. वायु and अंतरिक्षम are amurtam. पृथ्वी जल तेज मूर्तम. विद्यारण्य स्वामी जी in अनुभूति प्रकाश he has given 4 different meanings of murta amurta also, not just this way that prithvi jal teja is murta, vayu akasha is amurta. He has separately given, we have seen this. One meaning he gave was the sthula jagat is murtam and the vasanas is amurtam. Because what we see outside happening is all because of the kamanas, vasanas which are already there. So that sukshma part is not seen. Sthula part is seen, but all the planning, the thinking has happened before. So there it expresses. So that is amurtam. This is murtam. Murta murtam, dveva brahmana rupe. Brahma is in 2 forms, sthula and sukshma, in this way. You can think differently. Objective is, in my buddhi, it should come that Brahma has these 2 as upadhis. With these 2 upadhis, it becomes sopadhikam or savishesham, like Dandi Devadatta. But the actual Devadatta is different from Danda or Vishishta. He is only Vishesha. Like that, Brahma is separate from these 2 upadhis. And it is not always Upahita. Neither is Upadhi nor is Upahita. He is Anupahita. In this way, Nirvishesha I should understand. So Vayu and Antariksha, they are Amurtam. That Amurtam itself is Amritam, Etad Yat and Tyat. Tasya Etasya Amurtasya, of this Amurta, Amrita, Yataha, Tyasya. Its rasa is the Purusha in this mandala. Etasmin mandale yaha eshaha Purushaha, this is the rasa. This is Adidaivatam. Ashya. Vayushya antariksham cha yat parisheshitam bhutadvayam etad amritam. The 2 bhutas which are parisheshita, means not given in the previous murta, are amurta. Bhutadvayam etad amritam. Amurtatvat asthitam ato aviruddhyamanam kenachit. Amritam amarana dharmyam. Amarana dharmi etat. Amarana dharmi etat. So it is amurta, amrita, aviruddha, ato aviruddhyamanam kenachit. It will not have virodha with anything, and therefore, like Akash and Vayu, anything can come, they don't have virodha. You bring Agni, it doesn't have virodha. You remove Agni, okay. That's why in the 24 gurus in Bhagavatam, these are 2 gurus, Akasha and others are of Prithvi is also guru, but Akasha Vayu, Akasha is totally asanga, nirlipta. Vayu, it seems it is sasanga for some time and again it is asanga. So here we should take these 2 qualities, that aviruddhyamanatvam, no virodha, anything. Sometimes if you have tall structure and Vayu is there, then there could be some resistance. But it will allow, you have from creation, it is okay. And if the Prithvi is aviruddhyamanam, like the leaf, a wind comes this way, it will go this way. Wind goes this way, it will go that way. It doesn't have any problem. Tairayam na viruddhyate. This is how we should be. केनचित् अमृतम अमरणधर्मी एतत् यत् स्थित विपरीतम, that which is different from sthita. Sthita means parichinna. Then what is the next word? Vyapi, aparichinnam. Correct? Sthita viparitam will be what? Vyapi. Correct? So that khandakar is wrong. Remove that. Vyapi, aparichinnam. Without khandakar, it is aparichinnam. Yasmat यस्मात् एतत् अन्येभ्यो अप्रविभज्यमान विशेषम अतस्त्यात्, therefore it is tat. Anyebhyo apravidyajyamanam, because it cannot be separated from others, it is vyapi, therefore ataha tyat, therefore it is called tyat. See tika. अमूर्तत्वम उभयत्र हेतुत्वेन संबध्यते. अमूर्तत्वम उभयत्र हेतु. अमूर्तत्वम अमूर्तत्वात् स्थितम and amurtatvat amritam, both. See how he Bhashyakar wrote, bhutadvayam etad amritam amurtatvat sthitam. So amurtatvat hetu has to go with both. Amurtatvat is given.
Is it sthitam or yat, Swamiji?
अमूर्तत्वाद अस्थितम, सॉरी, अमूर्तत्वाद अस्थितम. हाँ, आप क्या पूछ रहे थे? व्हाट वर यू आस्किंग? सेम. अमूर्तत्वाद अस्थितम. सो अमूर्तत्वाद अमृतत्वाद अमूर्तम अमूर्तत्वाद and amurtatvad asthitam also, both ways. उभयत्र हेतुत्वेन संबध्य. अपरिच्छिन्नत्वम अविरोधे हेतु. अविरुद्ध्यमानम. Why aviruddhyamanam? Because aparichinna. In life also you should see, when there is Shudra Buddhi, you will have lot of virodha. When that Buddhi is not there, you will not have any virodha. Well, that's why Advaitam means I should not have that smallness in my mind. Then I will not have virodha. Actually, studying Advaita Darshan and understanding these subtle aspects, that I will not have any virodha with anything. This is actually Advaita Nishtha. Really speaking, what is Brahma? Advitiya. What is Advaita? No, I will accommodate everything. That is Brahma. Adhishthanam means I accommodate all. Whatever is there, yes. So in Vyavahara, to whatever extent, avirodha, as much as possible. And in Paramartha, to absolute avirodha. Aparichinnatvam avirode hetu. अमूर्तत्वादीनां मिथो विशेषण विशेष्य भावो हेतु हेतु मद भावस्य यथेष्टम द्रष्टव्य इत्याह. And their विशेषण विशेष्य भाव हेतु हेतु मद भाव यथा इष्टम, as you wish, you should understand. द्रष्टव्य. So in Bhashya we saw यस्माद् एतद् अन्येभ्यो अप्रविभज्यमानम अप्रविभज्यमान अप्रविभज्यमान विशेषम should be one word. अप्रविभज्यमान विशेषम अतस्त्यात् इति परोक्षाभिधानार्हम एव, and because it is tyat, therefore paroksha abhidhana arham, yogyam. You see 8 number tippani, why it is called paroksha? Tat shabdarthas tyat shabdah, because it tyat means tat. Tyat is also sarvanama. In sarvanama shabdas tat is there, tyat is also there, and tat shabda is always paroksha, right? What is the shloka for that? इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टे समीपतर्वर्ती चैतदो रूपम अदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टे तद इति परोक्षे विजानीय. तद इज फॉर परोक्ष. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.